Dropbox app with the little blue box there works a little backwards in the fact that you actually have to go into the app. At the bottom of the menu, you have to hit the Uploads button. So originally this is what Dropbox looks like with the folders, but now you're going to hit the Upload button at the bottom. And now you're going to have to go back up to the top to hit the plus sign because you want to add something to it. Now, if you notice, what are the only options here to put in? Well, it's just the camera roll, meaning you only can add photos and videos. If you want to change the folder, hit the Photos item at the bottom, and then you can change the folder to whatever you'd like it to be. I have a Photos folder, so I'm going to go with that one. I can tap Choose at the bottom right, and then at the top, I can choose Upload, but first I have to choose my pictures, and you can use multiple pictures. You can choose video and pictures at the same time, as many as you want, and then you actually tap the Upload button and you will see them uploading in the background. Okay, and when they're done uploading, they'll be added to this recent area with the exact time that they were uploaded. But now let's talk about when you actually have a file in here. If you want it to stay offline because the wireless might be going up or down, tap this little star right here. It'll keep it local. If you want the link to share it out, tap the little link icon and you can either email the link or copy it to the clipboard to paste otherwise and to other apps. If you tap the Export Out button, it will show you apps that will work for the file type you have open, meaning if it's pictures, it'll open apps that can read pictures and videos. If it's a Word doc or a PDF, it'll only open apps that can work with Word files and PDFs. Now if I go back to my Dropbox folders, and I come into the Photos folder, you're going to see all of those pictures I just loaded. You can have them done alphabetically like this, and then you'll notice that it gives the time and today's date for upload. I'm actually going to tap Edit so that I can remove some of these because I really don't want them in here. So I'm going to pull them back out. And I'll tap Delete. I could move them by tapping the Move button and move them to a different folder. But instead, I'm going to hit Delete and take them out of here. Also at the bottom is a little cog for settings, and this is where you can actually unlink your iPad from Dropbox account. That way if you want to log in as a different account, you can. This is where you can check your email address, your space used. You can upgrade your account, though I've stayed with the free account for the longest time. You can decide if you want the camera upload to automatically upload to Dropbox. I'm going to turn that off. And you can put a passcode lock on and so forth. Now, if you want to get a different file type into Dropbox, you actually can't do it within the Dropbox app. You actually have to switch to whatever the other app is that you want to send to Dropbox. So I'm going to switch over to a different app. And within that app, I have to go to its export features and see if I can export something else. And if you notice here, I can take a file from here and I can put it into Dropbox. So basically, if I want to put a file that's not a photo or video into the Dropbox app, I have to go into that app itself, the other app where I made the file, and then hope that the export feature is Dropbox. So that's how Dropbox works on